Okay, good day mga animation students. At sa pagkakataong ito, meron tayong activity na gagawin. At gagawa tayo ng isang animation and it's called a flying bird animation. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. First of all, we are going to rough sketch a bird. Any bird, ano? Kahit anong ibon, basta mukha siyang ibon. Okay? So, simulan natin dito. I'm just going to create a simple design of a bird. No, pag ganyan ang itsura. Okay, it's a rough sketch. Kikita nyo naman. And lalakyan ko lang ng konti. At eto yung katawan niya. Sabihin na natin, yan yung katawan niya, no? Pag ganyan. At di masyadong maganda itong ibon natin. Okay. So, ayan. So, hindi natin idodraw yung wings, no? Hindi muna natin siya idodrawing. Ang idodrawing lang natin yung rough sketch muna sa pagkakataong ito. So, I'm using basically uh the brush tool of the Adobe Animate in creating my rough sketch. Okay? So, now that we have completed the body of the bird, we are now going to clean up this bird using the line tool or the paintbrush tool. Okay? So for us to do that, yung layer 1 natin dito, ilalock muna natin yan. Okay? At magdadagdag tayo ng layer dito. At kung dyan natin ngayon ido-drawing, no, i-clean up itong ibon natin. Okay? So, you can use the paintbrush tool right here. And the thickness of that paintbrush tool depends on this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna cover my video. No, I think I'm gonna cover my video. So right here we have a stroke right at the properties tab. Pwede nating i-increase yung thickness niyan by typing a value right here. So sabihin na natin 3. Tingnan natin kung magugustuhan natin. So, ayan, no, ganyan siya kakapal. So, siguro gawin nating 4. Ayan. So tandaan niyo gumagamit ako dito ng paintbrush tool, which is different from the brush tool. Okay? Pwede rin tayong gumamit ng line tool. So, marunong na kayo gumamit ng line tool, di ba? Ayan siya, no? Yan. So, katawan lang muna at saka yung ulo ng ibon yung ating idodrawing. Okay? So, mag-design kayo ng sarili ninyong ibon, no? Mag-design kayo, huwag kayong kumopya sa Google dahil mahalata ko 'yan. Okay? So, ayan, ano, mukha na siyang ibon. At isave natin to as flying bird. Huwag natin kalimutan mag-save, no? So, ayun, no? Flying bird. Yan muna yung, mas maganda. Last name, Ramos David, flying bird. Yan yung kanyang pangalan. Gawin ko ng 2024 kasi marami na akong nagawang demonstration na ganito. So, I'm going to save it. So, itutuloy ko ang pag-clean up. So, ideally, ang magandang pang-clean up talaga ay yung line tool or yung paintbrush tool. Okay. So, ayan siya. Okay. So, now, okay, mukha naman maganda yung pagkakagawa natin. Siguro hindi na natin masyadong pagagandahin. Basta magmukhang ibon lang siya. At pagkatapos niyan, okay, na-clean up na natin siya dyan sa layer 2 na yan. Okay, so lagyan lang natin siya ng underbelly. Okay, na kung saan kukulayan natin ang kanyang ah, Yan. Kukulayan natin siya ng ganyan. Okay. Ayan. So, kulayan natin yung mata at yung beak niya. Okay. So, ayan. So, yan yung ano natin, no? Yan yung ating bird. Okay? Now, after that, ise-select natin siya at i-convert natin into symbol. So, ganito yung gagawin natin. Modify. Sorry. It's modify, convert to symbol, and let's just say this is a bird. It should be graphic. The registration is at the center. Okay? Tandaan niyo, graphic, registration is at the center, and then just press OK. Okay? So, ayan, isa na siyang symbol at mapapansin niyo nakabalot siya into a light blue box. Okay? So, after niyan, sa susunod nating video, lalagyan natin siya ng wings. Papasok tayo sa loob ng graphic symbol na yan. So, I'm gonna see you in the next video. So, goodbye for now.